What if the secret to feeling younger wasn't hidden in an expensive supplement or anti-aging cream, but inside your blood vessels? Most people think aging starts with wrinkles, gray hair, or aching joints. But scientists now know that aging often begins much deeper when your blood vessels lose their ability to expand, deliver oxygen, and nourish every organ in your body. The good news? Your body already has a powerful anti-aging molecule capable of restoring healthy circulation, calming inflammation, supporting your heart, protecting your brain, and even increasing energy. It's called nitric oxide. The problem is that after age 40, nitric oxide production declines dramatically. Today, I'll show you 3 science-backed foods that naturally boost nitric oxide production and help your body repair itself from the inside out. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final food may be one of the most powerful anti-aging foods sitting in your grocery store. Think of your blood vessels as highways. When you're young, these highways are wide, smooth, and flexible. Blood flows effortlessly. Oxygen reaches your muscles. Your brain stays sharp. Your heart doesn't have to work as hard. But as the years pass, inflammation, oxidative stress, poor diet, and inactivity slowly damage those highways. The vessels become stiff. Blood pressure rises, circulation slows, energy drops. Memory becomes less reliable. This is where nitric oxide becomes incredibly important. Nitric oxide is a tiny signaling molecule produced inside the lining of your blood vessels. It tells your arteries to relax and widen. This improves blood flow throughout your entire body. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your heart, brain, muscles, kidneys, and even your skin. Researchers have linked healthy nitric oxide levels with healthier blood pressure, improved exercise performance, better cognitive function, and healthier aging. The exciting part? Certain foods can naturally stimulate your body's own nitric oxide production. Before we go further, comment below your age and where you're watching from. I read every comment, and it helps others see they're not alone on this journey. Let's start with one of the tastiest. Food number 1, dark chocolate. Yes, real dark chocolate, but not sugary milk chocolate. We're talking about chocolate made with at least 70% cacao. Cacao is packed with plant compounds called promethocyanidins and flavonols. These natural compounds help the cells lining your arteries produce more nitric oxide. Some research suggests cacao flavonols may improve blood vessel flexibility and support healthy circulation. Even more interesting, these compounds appear to encourage the body's natural repair processes that help maintain healthier blood vessels over time. The key is moderation. About 2 to 3 small squares daily is enough. Choose dark chocolate with minimal added sugar and high cacao content. Food number 2, beets. If there were a superstar food for nitric oxide, beets would probably wear the crown. Beets are naturally rich in dietary nitrates. Once eaten, friendly bacteria living inside your mouth convert those nitrates into nitrites. Your body then transforms them into nitric oxide. That's why beet juice has become so popular among athletes. It helps improve oxygen delivery and endurance. But the benefits aren't limited to exercise. 1 cup of roasted beets or 1 serving of beet juice can provide an excellent source of natural nitrates. Food number 3, apples. The old saying may actually be on to something. An apple a day offers far more than vitamins, especially if you eat the skin. Apple skins contain oxalic acid while the flesh provides quercetin, 2 plant compounds studied for their powerful antioxidant properties. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, one of the biggest enemies of healthy blood vessels. Quercetin has also been investigated for supporting nitric oxide availability and healthy blood vessel function. Meanwhile, oxalic acid may support tissue repair and healthy circulation. Whenever possible, choose organic apples and wash them thoroughly. Leaving the skin on allows you to get the greatest benefit. Here's what's remarkable. None of these foods work through magic. They simply give your body the raw materials it needs to do what it was designed to do. repair blood vessels, improve circulation, reduce inflammation, support healthier aging. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-based nutrition and healthy aging tips every week.